Introducing I Want It All bundle, the must-have tool for editors and video creators. Get 130 premium packs and over 15,000 assets designed to elevate your videos effortlessly. Just drag and drop to create pro-level content in seconds, save time, and deliver incredible results every time. Turn ideas into stunning visuals with just a few clicks. No limits, no barriers, just pure creative freedom. Unleash your creativity. I Want It All bundle. Buy now, only on AEJuice.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at AEJuice Pack Manager. It is present as a standalone application for DaVinci Resolve and other video editing softwares. But if you're using After Effects or Premiere Pro, this is probably going to be a plugin. First of all, they're running a Black Friday sale. You're going to get all of these bundles for just like $149, and you will have like 130 products in it. But there is a specific DaVinci Resolve bundle as well. Costs about the same, $149, but you just have 81 products in it. So I think it's much better if you just go with the all-in-one bundle, or they call it I Want It All bundle. You can go ahead and go through the DaVinci Resolve bundle if you're more interested in that, and you can just go ahead and click on specific bundle and see what that bundle includes in that pack. All right, so these are pretty high quality assets. A lot of popular YouTubers use this pack, and they have their reviews on this pack as well, such as Premier Girl, Cameron from Motion Science, Caleb Lancaster. You can check out their AEJuice review on their channels. Once you download the AEJuice standalone application, or if you're using After Effects, this will be as a plugin. Download and install it, and it is available for Mac and Windows. And once you open that up, it will greet you with a selection of the video editing program that you're using. I was using DaVinci Resolve, so I selected DaVinci Resolve, and this window popped up, AEJuice Pack Manager for standalone. And here you can just download any pack that you want. Now there are two sections over here. There is a free section where you can download all of these for free, and I have covered all of these packs in my previous video. You can go ahead and check that out if you're interested. And then there is this store version, which are these paid products. So once you download all in one bundle, or I Want It All bundle, you will get access to all of these packs. So I did download some of these, and I'm gonna just show you in a bit. But if you just hover your mouse on any of these packs, for example, if I just hold my mouse on this Flash FX 3, you will see a quick preview of what this pack will include. Same goes with any other pack that is over here. So here is the Spark effects. These will contain some high quality Spark effects overlays, which you can use inside of your projects. I did download some of the animated backgrounds, so you can find these really cool animated backgrounds inside of this pack, and there's a lot more over here. So you just go ahead and browse for these packs. You don't have to purchase it. You can just download or browse it for free. I think they give you 5 free downloads as well, so you can just you can use those 5 free downloads to see if it's the right pack for you. Once you exhaust those 5 downloads, you can just consider purchasing the all-in-one bundle pack. Downloading is pretty simple actually. So you just go to the pack that you want. So for example, I did download this animated pack over here, and you just have to simply double click on the video, or you can just click on this download icon over here to download it, and it will be saved inside of your documents folder. And AEJuice, you have the standalone folder, and inside that you have all of these categories over here. And then you can just grab this AEJuice folder inside of your DaVinci Resolve and save it in your master bin or any other bin that you want. Every time you open up DaVinci Resolve, it will be stored over here. Don't have to go inside of that folder back and forth. So you can find that all over here inside of DaVinci Resolve. So I did made some animations over here. For example, this one is just the background that I got from the AEJuice pack manager, and this is high quality as well. If you just click on this information icon over here, it sees the resolution is 4K. And I think this will be great if you have an end screen animation, or if you have a title card animation, you can use this for that. And there is this another overlay which I just turned into this animation of, or this text effect. So this was done inside of Fusion with the text and the masking over here. And then we have the screen recording overlay, and this is animated. This is not a static PNG image. These are animated overlays, and this I believe was just a 3-second long animation, but then I went to the last frame, split or use the cut tool over here to cut the clip, and then on the second clip I went into the speed change menu over here and chose the freeze frame option, this last icon over here, and then I can just stretch it out to any length that I want. And then finally we have this CRT overlay, which I think will look great if you have like a documentary or stuff, or maybe a trailer, something like that. You can use this overlay for that purpose. And you can also enable effects on it. For example, I did apply this digital glitch on it. But yeah, all in all, this is how you can use the AEJuice pack manager for DaVinci Resolve. And if you go back into the pack manager, you will also have some sound effects as well. So for example, so we have this motion design sound effect, and then these are pretty high quality sound effects, and you can see these are neatly categorized over here. And there are other sound effects as well. We have this cyberpunk transitions. These are pretty cool if you are into this sort of editing style. We have this analog glitch, and these will really look cool if you have maybe an intro, or maybe you have like a fast noise node. You can use that fast noise and use these backgrounds to drive your animations. With this overlay and the displace node, you can create some really abstract looking glitch animations using these footages. Alright, so I have some extra packs that are native to DaVinci Resolve. All of these packs in the pack manager are overlays. You will also see some of these native files for DaVinci Resolve. For example, you have the VHS seamless transition pack, we have the prism pack, cinematic titles, and we have some noir film titles as well. So I have installed all of these inside of DaVinci Resolve, and I'm going to just simply open that up. So here in the video transitions, I have seamless transitions, and we can scrub like this and see the transition in action over here. So you can pretty much use these, and we have some displacement transitions. This looks pretty cool in my opinion. Apart from using the basic transitions, you can add this to your editing as well. Simple fade to black transitions as well, fisheye, flares, flip, foam, and that's a lot of transitions. And I kind of like this tap and cursor transition. I think it looks pretty cool. In the generators, we have these noir film titles. So if I just select that and drag this in, so this is the title itself. So make sure that if you drag these titles, chances are you won't be able to see the title itself because the fonts will be missing. So as you can see, by default it uses this Alex brush font and Roboto slab font. So go ahead and download these fonts to see your title. If you don't want to use these two particular fonts, then you can click, and from this drop down menu you can just switch to a completely different font. And you have to do this with all these drop downs inside this font section over here. And once you change all of these, then you will be able to see the title. And then you can just change the name over here like that, and we have a pretty extensive list of titles over here. Then we have, in the same category, we have end titles, we have trailer titles as well. So go ahead and use that. So if I just pull up one like so. I think I can recreate that area. Here we go. So it says font not found, and we have to download this Glacio regular font, which we do not have on our system. So what you can do is you can switch to a different font over here, and I have to do this wherever it says Glacio, and then I will be able to see it. So let's do this one more time, and here we go. We can see our title now. This is actually how DaVinci Resolve works. Nothing wrong with the back. Yeah, then we have some prism effects. So these are native. You can just drop it onto a video track, and you can see that in action over here. Right, so that is the prism pack. So let's just actually look. And the prism pack, we have broken prism. So let's just take a look at that. It looks pretty rad in my opinion, so you can just definitely play around with that as well. Now I would also suggest you to turn on cache over here. I tried to apply this broken prism to my glass animation that I created earlier, and look at that. It will create this stylized look. It looks like that this has taken quite a while to create this title. So this is, if I disable this is before, and with this, if I enable that, it's this is the look after you apply this this effect on top of it. You can definitely try other effects as well. I like the prism pack, and I think this is absolutely must have. And then we have this VHS effects. So let's just drag that in. It is actually looking for this font again, but let's just change that to a different font, since I do not have the one that was used when this template was created. And we can still use it after that. So here we go, and there we have it. So you can stack these effects one on top of the other, and this will create a really great result for you. So if I just go to full screen, this is how it is going to look. And then we have distortions, we have text title as well. So let's just take a look at this. Might want to disable the ones at the bottom. All right, so this is the text effect. It's pretty simple, but you have these as well available in this pack. And then we have some more, and let's actually see how this looks. All right, there we have it. So yeah, this is pretty cool, and as it says VHS, this will kind of mimic the camcorder effect. So then yeah, you can use this as well. So again, we have more of these VHS camera quality effects. So if I just enable my clip at the bottom, you can see how that looks. I think it will look much better if I have a footage over here. So let's just go into the screen recording over here, and I'm going to just disable this and apply this over here. All right, so it will kind of distort the image like so, and kind of give you the VHS look. And we have cinematic titles as well. So if I just drag in my title like so, and again, it has the same problem. It does not have this font installed. So let's just quickly change the font. All right, so here we have this really cool animation, and the typography and everything is pretty clean in this. So you just have to simply change the text and the color. You can do that all over here in the controls panel. Cannot show you everything in this pack. I think it's better if you just explore it for yourself, but rest assured this pack will be quite helpful in your projects. It did help me a lot. I have used this pack for my own projects, and all the links, you can find them in the description down below. Download the pack and enjoy creating some really amazing content with this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Introducing I Want It All bundle, the must-have tool for editors and video creators. Get 130 premium packs and over 15,000 assets designed to elevate your videos effortlessly. Just drag and drop to create pro-level content in seconds, save time, and deliver incredible results every time. Turn ideas into stunning visuals with just a few clicks. No limits, no barriers, just pure creative freedom. Unleash your creativity. I Want It All bundle. Buy now, only on AEJuice.com.